Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to verify the domain in Facebook Business Manager in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can actually just head over in here under settings. Now under your settings, we should be able to see the option for domain. Now under this domain right here, you can just head over and then connect an existing domain. So since you already have a domain for Facebook Marketplace or Facebook Business, just head over and click on this connect existing domain. Once you have done that, just head over and then connect a domain that you have already. So I will just put in here a sample domain, but for this one, just put in here the domain that you already have. So for me, for example, I want to add this right here. Then click on next right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see this option right here. So if you already have this domain, you should be able to integrate it to Shopify by following the on-screen instructions on your Shopify and also your Facebook Business Manager. So let's head back. And then from here, you can also change your domain that is existing right here. So if you already have a domain, it will show up in here just under the ones that you have on Shopify that's ready. So just follow instructions and you will be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.